Hello, welcome to the Ruichi soldering robot. This model is No.R501RT with a single soldering head and a double workstation. This machine is controlled by industrial PC and the 6-axis motion card. As you can see, this is X-axis, this is Y-axis, and Z-axis and R-axis. And also, the tin feeding axis can work at the same time. Let's move on to the touch screen. This is 12 inches high-definition HMI with touch screen for programming. Definitely, you can find the wireless remote controller easily. It is called the wireless teaching pendant. And of course, the screen can be hiding here. It's literally user-friendly function. This is a self-developed 400-watt or 600-watt temperature control system. And here, this is the heating element adopts silver core, which can ensure the longer lifetime. Induction type soldering tip can be easily changed with lower cost. Automatic tin feeding system for diameter of 0.8, 1.0, 1.2 mm soldering wire to avoid the tin explosion during soldering. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.